In this video, I'm going to show you how you can exit Incognito Mode on Perplexity AI app using your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you had generated any chart while incognito, first let me generate one. So I'll enter incognito by just tapping on this incognito icon, and now I'm incognito mode. So I'll generate a chart, and as you can see, this chart is being generated in incognito mode, and here is the response. However, I wish to proceed but not incognito mode. To generate another normal chart that is not incognito, I'll need to exit. To do this, head over on top here and you should see an X icon. Just tap on it and here you'll be taken to the home page. However, it is still incognito mode. To exit, now tap on this incognito sign to turn it off, and now I'm in the normal mode. So that's how you can turn off or exit incognito mode on Perplexity AI app using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.